Hello traders, welcome to another video from RLTR Group. So today we're going to talk about how the market is going to be behaving tomorrow and what are the key levels that we need to look out for. And just before we proceed, so today we had three sets of profits that we have made. This 1,73,000 was a lucky one. The reason being here is I had actually, put the order in, as a hero zero, and it technically panned out to be very well. On the other accounts, in terms of the holding, on the live trading platform, we made 1.73 lakhs. I made 9,200 from this particular debacle over here, and then in the other zero the account I made 1.91. So if I go ahead and put it all together, I think today was up to a 4 lakh decent, up to 4 lakh decent amount of returns that I have earned. But a lot of it is due to the conviction that I've had, and the guts that I actually keep, in terms of the conviction that I have. Now, of course, it is a bit risky, so this is not something that I will make on a day-to-day basis, but this is something that, can actually be made by someone. So, I wanted to tell you guys that this is possible. All right. Now, also, if you need an assistance from my end, you can go to www.rltrgroup.com and live trade with me and understand how I trade and learn, and also earn by copying if you are too busy. The link to the Telegram channel is listed below to watch our performance, since the last December. And also, you can visit www.rltrgroup.com to live trade with us. Now, with all this information, let us go ahead and understand what are the key things that we need to look out for tomorrow. Now, like I told you, that Nifty is over here on a very negative time frame. Okay, over here it actually had an abandoned baby followed by a negative candle, which then gave a gap down on that particular situation. So the most important and the biggest key level for us is, guys, please remember this, that this place over here. All right, one moment. I think this is not working. Just give me one moment. All right, so we are back here. So let me just switch to my watch list. Okay, so the most key level over here for Nifty 50 is that it can stay at this range for a very long time. All right, I had gone ahead and decided that 15,607. If you just look at my video yesterday, that from here there might be a bounce. So the last minute bounce actually happened over here at 15,607, and I would tell you between this range the market is going to be very volatile. So let it break at least 15,600 at the bottom or 15,824 on the top, and then initiate the trade. But however, if tomorrow, if Nifty opens at this particular range, what I want you to do is I want you to go ahead and place the stop loss at the low of this box and then take a trade. So this becomes a very key level tomorrow. In my terminology, it's called a confluence zone of this entire rally or sideways market that has been happening. So this is a very key level where it has closed. So over here this can actually act as a very good support, and if it comes down it will act as a very good resistance. So if you want to trade tomorrow, when it breaks this particular box out, you will get little targets, but if there is enough push, then I think the first target would be somewhere around 37 points on the index, and the second target would be somewhere around 109. And if on the downside, if you want to see, the first target will be somewhere around 52 points, and then if it follows up, then you can also keep the exact same 100 points from here at this range. So Bank Nifty is most likely to touch 15,500 or 15,900 in next week accordingly. Sorry, Nifty, my apologies. So in terms of Bank Nifty, Bank Nifty is been doing a very volatile move. Now, I just want to squeeze it out, and I want to tell you that I've been drawing these lines on a, on a very large basis, and I have been showing this to you on a day-to-day basis, just to let you know and to make you understand that in this range of 35,745 and 34,000, there is no much of a money you can make. All right. So, apparently, to be honest with you, in my up stocks, I just had kept 50,000. All right. So it somehow turned out to be something this much. So that is the kind of a game that you need to play with the markets. But if you're, keeping 10, 15 lakhs in your account or 5 lakhs in your account and you want to make money in this market, you cannot. Okay. So the most, easiest way to make money is to wait for the ranges to break out. But if it is going to stay inside these lines, then it is going to be volatile. But just to make it clear for you, tomorrow, this will also act as a very important piece here. If by any chance, if it takes out 34,442 today, I mean tomorrow, it is going to go straight to 34,000. and that's 400 points that you can look after. If it is going to break the upside of 34,763, remember 34,763, then we again have 400 points on the upside that you can actually look out for. So please be very, very careful while you're trading this market. Manage your positions, and reduce your position size drastically, because if you save up money right now, August is going to be very, very spectacular, and July is something that I'm expecting to be the same as well. Just let this expiry pass. There is another 7 days left, and after that I think things will become much easier in the trading platforms. So until then, I thank you so much for your time. I wish you have a wonderful day ahead. I hope my levels help you in making trading decisions tomorrow. If you have any questions, please put it on the comment section below, and if you have any doubts on a stock, do let me know so that I can go ahead and help you on that swing position on my next thing. So I have a couple of requests about certain stocks, but I want to give you a bit more information about that when things come into hand. Okay. So with this, I thank you so much for your time. I wish you have a wonderful day ahead. So love you all. We'll see you on another video. Take care. Jai Hind. Goodbye for now.